Welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. 6 killed, 2 seriously injured in firing by Assam police at Mukro. Cherry Blossom Festival cancelled, mobile internet prohibited for 48 hours in 7 districts. Newly appointed youth given appointment letters under Rozgar Mela. And several graduating conferred with degrees in the 10th NIFT Convocation. The news in detail. 6 people, including 1 Assam forest guard, were killed, while 2 others have been seriously injured in a firing by Assam police at the border village of Mukro under Mukayao constituency in West Jantia Hills district. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, who convened an emergent meeting with the civil societies, condemned the incident, saying Meghalaya government will meet Union Home Minister to express its grievances following the incident at Mukro. Informing that an FIR has been filed, the Chief Minister said that the place of incident is well within Meghalaya. Conrad Sangma has also spoken to Assam Chief Minister on the incident, and Meghalaya Home Minister Lakshman Rimboy is already in the village where the incident took place.
An unfortunate incident occurred at Mukro village in West Jantia Hills district, where 6 persons have died due to firing by Assam police and Assam forest guards. As per the reports, a truck carrying timber was pursued by the Assam forest guards with the Assam police and was detained by the Assam police and Assam forest guards at Mukro village in West Jantia Hills district. On hearing this, people from Mukro village gathered in large numbers and surrounded the Assam police and Assam forest guards. This led to firing by the Assam police, in which 5 persons from Meghalaya died. 1 Assam forest guard also died due to the fire. The injured persons have been shifted to Boroto PHC and Shillong Civil Hospital.
As a mark of respect for the people who were killed in the police firing at Mukro, the state government has decided to cancel all the ongoing festivals in the state, including the Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival. Chief Minister admitted that there will be losses in terms of revenue, but the important aspect is that the lives of people matters the most. Meanwhile, the state government has also prohibited mobile data in 7 districts of the state for the next 48 hours to maintain peace and to avoid possibility to spread of fake news.
But what we have felt as a cabinet is that life of the people are most important to us. We feel the law and order situation is paramount. Maintaining of peace is very important. And hence everything else is secondary for us right now. While we are mourning, it would not be appropriate for us to have festivals and to be celebrating. And though it is a tough decision, and as I said, it will be difficult, many financial losses may be there, but as I said, we respect and we want to ensure that the lives of the people who are lost is paramount, and as I said, the law and order situation is paramount for us.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi today distributed over 71,000 appointment letters to newly inducted recruits through video conferencing at 45 locations across the country. The Rozgar Mela at Shillong was organized by Assam Rifles at Lightcore Shillong. John Barla, the Minister of State, Ministry of Minorities Affairs, also graced the function here in Shillong. Union Minister also handed over the appointment letters to several newly appointed employees here. Speaking on the occasion, John Barla said that the central government is keen to work for the youth of the country. Some of the youth who got their appointment letters expressed their happiness and thanked the Prime Minister for speeding up the recruitment process.
रोजगार मेला हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की पहल से है, जिसमें सरकार के 38 मंत्रालय और विभागों में 10 लाख रोजगार प्रदान करने का अभियान जारी है।
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Monday inaugurated the Namong CNRD block, besides laying foundation for the upgradation of health center to community health center, inaugurated the much-awaited Great Muknang Lumrod water supply scheme and upgradation of Juwai Nartiang Tiap Khanduli Road. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that the demand for a new CNRD block was a long-time pending demand of this area, while adding that the new block would bring administration closer to the people.
In a lot of areas, our people have to travel for 2 hours, 3 hours to reach to the closest block, because of which the kind of development that they should get, they are not getting. And hence this government has decided that we will take administration closer to the people. We will ensure that we make accessibility even more possible for our people.
The 10th Convocation of the National Institute of Fashion Technology on NIFT, Shillong, was held today in the campus. During the ceremony, degrees were conferred to graduated students of the university. Similarly, awards were also given to students of the institute for best performances. Maurinkneng MLA Pinyat Singh's aim was the chief guest on the occasion, and during his speech, he urged the students to continue working hard to excel in their career.
Ngasukmen bangan yo ini kalat banwan, but yo ban pendep ikanika program nika sengi ban ai ki certificates, namun taki degree course ki prepare ki graduate ki postgraduate ki ba ladep ban pendep iki jingpule haunis nama mentah ngangit scam ba kan long kalat ban play lat iki samla ka yo kam yo jam ling ba ka fashion industry te ngakermen ba ki samla jungi ki badan sab kin wan shakmat ba kin shim ki admission hang ne po NIFT knang ba kin nang la ban pentebet shu yelade.
The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 21.2 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 8.5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 47%, while in the evening it was 67%. Forecast: weather is most likely to remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in into our daily bulletin. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. 6 killed, 2 seriously injured in firing by Assam police at Mukro. Cherry Blossom Festival cancelled, mobile internet prohibited for 48 hours in 7 districts. Newly appointed youth given appointment letters under Rozgar Mela. And several graduating conferred with degrees in the 10th NIFT Convocation. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, it's good night.